Start by separating the firm part of the basil leaves, chop them finely, and set aside. Then wash the basil leaves and set them aside. Cut the washed cherry tomatoes in half and set aside. Finely chop a purple onion into squares. Mince 3 cloves of garlic and set aside. Boil a packet of pasta with salt in boiling water and cook over medium heat. Meanwhile, melt butter and olive oil in a pan, add the basil leaves along with a pinch of salt, and sauté. Then add the chopped onion and garlic and sauté. Next, add the cherry tomatoes along with the tomato paste and sauté. Then add the cream and mix well. Now add salt, black pepper, white pepper, oregano, and grated mozzarella cheese, and mix everything together. Finally, drain the pasta and add it to the mixture. Stir well and serve. Enjoy your meal.